Alright, today's project we're going to be working on reinstalling some new adhesive on this vent visor, because somehow the glue came off on my vent visor on the passenger side door of my truck, because I was riding it one night when I was coming home from work. Next thing you know, I could hear something rattling and making so much noise. Turns out the glue that came with this brand new vent visor came off, but I got some stuff, but we're gonna fix it. We got right here some adhesive molding tape, which will be perfect to reinstall any moldings or emblems or any types of badges that you have on your vehicle. They even got little silicone adhesive that can stick on there like epoxy, but I even got some alcohol, which we'll be using that later, and some scissors to cut pieces of the adhesive down, trim up some of the adhesive, and I got some microfiber towels so we can go ahead and clean off the old wax and stuff. But you'll see why I'm going to be doing it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I placed the amount of adhesive that I'm going to be using. So when you're installing this adhesive, you want to make sure you press it nice and firmly, get any type of air bubbles out of here. Press it nice and firmly so it'll stick on here real good. And next part, we're going to go ahead and take it to the vehicle, and I'll show what we're going to do from there. Alright, I got the adhesive placed on that new vent, on my vent visor. What I'm going to be doing here is getting rid of all this old glue and strip off some of the wax so we can be able to apply the new vent visor. And according to a body shop, they recommended using rubbing alcohol, which is some I have right here. And I got the microfiber towel. So what I'm going to be doing is going to open this up. This will require one hand. Put a nice little dap on the towel. So what we're going to do is keep getting all that old wax and stuff off. Put a little elbow grease if you want. And there you have it. Kind of wipe some of that stuff down. Even though it's been got so much pollen. My tongue got a little twisted there, but yep. And I'll go ahead and put this down for a minute while I get the old adhesive, the adhesive. Alright, I got all that red stuff off the adhesive. So what I'm going to be doing is we're going to line up my vent visor here. Hold on a minute, let me align it where it's going to go. So I may have to put this down for a minute. So after I got it applied on there, you want to go ahead and press firmly. Get it all nice and secure. You want to get it on there real good. I know this is a job that requires two hands, but overall it's going to look a lot better than the adhesive that they applied on these originally. So there you have it. And I'll edit this video up and post it up for you guys, and hope this video is helpful, and thanks for watching.